Good morning. It's a beautiful day today to start figuring out what is wrong with my bike. So that's what I'm going to do today. Just as a backstory, during the summer I experienced some power loss issues with my bike while riding the bike. It happened, I'd say anywhere between 70 to 100 times over the summer. So it didn't matter what speed I was riding, all of a sudden my speedometer would drop and I would feel the bike lose its power, but it would come right back. So I took the bike to the Winnipeg dealership to get the issue diagnosed. That was unsuccessful. The dealership did suggest that binding throttle cables could be part of the issue. I'm not an expert, I'm not a mechanic. Do I think it's binding throttle cables that are causing this issue? Not really. I do know that I've had the same throttle cables for 12 years, and maybe it is time to put on new ones, especially since there's some corrosion going on. Sorry, my cat has the zoomies. So I'm gonna see if I can order those this morning, and I also need rear brake pads. I have really appreciated all of the comments suggesting what the issues with my bike could possibly be. It's been incredible, and I don't know how to properly express how valuable that help has been to me. We're gonna order some parts right now.
"2,000 years later."
Well, it's finally time to work on the bike, which is long anticipated for you and me both probably. My dad and I have been planning on working on the bike for months now, and it's finally coming into fruition. Like a standard Harley-Davidson size? Oh yes,
We don't want to damage those O-rings. This one, maybe?
Is that a dentist pick? Oh yeah, that's better. This feels loose. Yeah, this one's, it's like just slightly too loose, 9/16.
It's not probably on very tight because it's...
Okay.
Okay. Well, let's take this off and give us a little look at it. This has to be lifted up. The cable comes off the head of the side, but fortunately we're going to have to cut those tie wraps, and it's going to be hard to put on. What we'll do is let's disconnect it from here.
Okay.
So leave that for the moment.
Okay.
Because maybe we can save these tie wraps and just kind of slide everything down. Hope we don't have to pivot that master cylinder also. See if we can get the right.
Okay.
Okay, we got one here. See, we got one here. Don't want to have to take this off. Is there any more screws around here? You always had to go like that, eh?
This is the size. This is tiny. Too small.
But this is like it's way too huge. No. Yeah, it's 932.
Oh wow, okay. Yeah, is there one that's maybe metric?
6. Yeah, this one's better.
It's turning. Okay. This piece. Yikes. Okay.
It's just so. This ain't gonna work. Look how seized on this is.
Then we might have a problem there too. Now here, Laura. Shine a light in here.
But do we have to grease these things? I guess not.
Pour some oil down here, but they're supposed to be plastic coated. You can't take them out to grease. But what we can do is pour penetrating fluid down there.
9/16.
Nothing to take. Oh, good. But That's all plastic. Right. More? Oh, good for you.
Okay.
So that. Where did this go wrapped up? On here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this has to go here. Then this cable has to go around the top. That might even do it. Can you pull? Okay, I'll take it off. Okay. Okay?
Seems like it's gonna rain.
It does, doesn't it? Okay, that piece. This way, that way. Which way is this? Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Can you pull with that on the pliers? I don't know.
So this goes around the front.
Yeah. Have you got those pliers?
Yeah.
Just make sure this is seated properly.
There's no more of it?
Oh wow. Is that adjuster all the way so it's slackened the most? Up one. Oh.
Here, wait, pass me that.
Okay. That's one of those push pins. Off, you know it comes off without sticking. In case you ever have to do that. You want to cover the holes.
Well, thanks for teaching me.